Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am your host Umar Suhail, and in this video, I'm going to share 5 best books to become rich. And the fifth book in this list is my personal favorite. So make sure you check out all the video. And if you are new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe the channel because you will find amazing content on this channel. And for your ease, the link of each book will be in the description. So let's get right into it. The first book in our list is The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. If you feel like you have made all the wrong financial decisions or that wealth is just not one of the things you'll ever be able to achieve, The Psychology of Money is the book for you to read. Reading it will open your mind towards new perspective and have your conduct and introspection to realize how biased you were all along. While this book may not comfort you, it will surely give you a series of areas that you can improve to see instant changes in your financial life. In The Psychology of Money, award winning author Morgan Housel shares 19 short stories exploring the strange ways people think about money and teaches how to make better sense of one of life's most important topics. Now, let's discuss a little bit about the author. Morgan Housel is a partner at the Collaborative Fund and a former columnist at the Motley Fool and the Wall Street Journal. He's a two-time winner of the Best in Business Award from the Society of American Business Editors and Writers, winner of the New York Times Sydney Award, and a two-time finalist for the Gerald Loeb Award for Distinguished Business and Financial Journalism. Okay, now who would I recommend Psychology of Money to? The 28-year-old person who feels like they are behind with their finance and want to get out of that situation, and the 40-year-old life coach who wants to deepen their knowledge to better help their clients, or the 22-year-old economics student who wants to expand on their study materials. Number 2 in our list is The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason. The Richest Man in the Babylons is a must read for anyone wanting to truly master the concept of money. Beloved by millions, this timeless classic holds the key to all you desire and everything you wish to accomplish. This is the book that reveals the secret to personal wealth. The book delivers financial tips in a very strong way by wrapping them into amazing stories. Acclaimed as a modern day classic, this celebrated bestseller offers an understanding of and a solution to your personal financial problems that will guide you through a lifetime. This is the book that holds the secret to keeping your money and making more money. Now let's talk about the author. George Clason is best known for writing a series of informational pamphlets about being thrifty and how to achieve financial success. He started writing the pamphlets in 1926 using parables that were set in ancient Babylon. Banks and insurance companies began to distribute the parables, and the most famous ones were compiled into the book The Richest Man in Babylon. Now, who would I recommend The Richest Man in Babylon to? I would recommend the 21-year-old on his first corporate job who's happily spending his income every month, and the 45-year-old who's taken a loan or two to finance luxury purchases, and anyone who buys lottery tickets on a regular basis. Now, third book in the list is I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi. This is another amazing book, the groundbreaking New York Times and Wall Street Journal bestseller that taught a generation how to earn more, save more, and live a rich life. Personal finance expert Ramit Sethi has been called a wealth wizard by Forbes and the new guru on the block by Fortune. Now, he's updated and expanded his modern money classic for a new age, delivering a simple, powerful, no BS 6 weeks program that just works. This book actually shows how to crush your debt and student loans faster than you thought, how to set up no fee, high interest bank accounts that won't gouge you for every penny, how Ramit automates his finances so his money goes exactly where he wants it to, and how you can do it too. How to talk your way out of late fees with word for word scripts, and how to save hundreds or even thousands per month and still buy what you love. That's the most amazing point. a set it and forget it investment strategy that's dead simple and beats financial advisors at their own game. I like that the book makes room for spending on what you enjoy and eliminating the temptations by simply automating as much as possible. Whatever's left, you can spend however you want. It's quite a funny book, too, so I would request you to go for it. Now, let's talk a little bit about the author. Ramit Sethi is New York Times best-selling author of I Will Teach You to Be Rich. His blog, I Will Teach You to Be Rich.com, hosts over 300,000 readers every month. His co-founded PB Wiki and graduated from Stanford, where he studied technology and psychology. He lives in San Francisco, California. Now, who would I recommend this book to? I would recommend this book to a 24-year-old recent graduate who blows all of his fancy new salary on video games and takeout. The 35-year-old who sits on pile of cash because she's afraid of losing the money, and anyone who blames others for being broke. If you're watching this so far and liking the content, so please make sure to subscribe the channel and like the video and share it with your favorite person. Now, next book in the list is Money, Master the Game by Tony Robbins. I Will Teach You to Be Rich is for people who are not ready to start saving but still want to start investing. And Rich Dad Poor Dad is for those who have saved already but haven't started investing. And Money, Master the Game by Tony Robbins is both for the above. Plus, those who are already saving, already investing but might not see the returns they hoped for. There is something to learn from this book for everyone, the first graders to portfolio managers. You can read it cover to cover, just pick out the sections which are relevant to you. You'll learn the exact portfolio allocations of some of the world's greatest investors like Ray Dalio and David Swensen. The interviews with 12 greatest investors of our time alone worth 10x the price of the book. So I would request you to get the copy. Now let's talk about the author. Tony Robbins has helped more than 50 million people from more than 100 countries transform their lives and their businesses through his books, audio programs and health products, live events and personal coachings. He's been fortunate enough to work with everyone from presidents to countries to some of the true legends of entertainment, sports and the business world. But his work is not limited to Fortune 500 CEOs and athletes. He has a special passion for small business owners, parents, students. Now let's move to the next book, which is my personal favorite, The Almanac of Naval Ravikant, A Guide to Wealth and Happiness by Eric Jorgensen. The Almanac of Naval Ravikant is a remarkable piece of writing on two subjects that may be seen antithetical at first sight, building wealth and living a meaningful life, but in fact have a lot in common. Naval offers its readers advice in how to build wealth and, more importantly, how to use it correctly, with a strong focus on the end means, which are living a good life, having freedom, and helping those around you. The author delves into secrets of a well-off life both financially and spiritually. This book is available free online, by the way. Now let's talk about the author. Eric Jorgensen is an entrepreneur, writer, and investor. He is on the founding team of Zarly and has been publishing online since 2014. His blog has educated and entertained over 1 million readers. Who would I recommend this book to? A 25-year-old person who wants to advance in their career without losing sight of their true persona? The 30-year-old entrepreneur who wants to find a balance between their work and what matters to them in their personal life? Or the 40-year-old life coach who wants to expand their knowledge in the field and offer better advice? So this takes us to the end of the video, and let me know which book is your favorite in the comments below. And if you like the channel, please make sure to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so you can get notifications of all my videos. So until next time, goodbye.